You guys, I messed up. So here's the thing. I believe that I've been putting my best foot forward, creating creatures for the shorts on YouTube, which are also shared on Instagram. But the point is that I noticed I was taking more time on creating more details for these shorts and reels, in which I've invested my energy and my time, and that I didn't leave enough time nor the creative capacity to create a creature for the longer videos I normally post on. So in noobish fashion, instead of cutting out all the mistakes, I included the process because reality is not always roses, and every rose has its thorn. Initially, I thought of creating two creatures fighting one another. The first being a hippo creature to the right, and the other being a bear creature to the lower left. However, I couldn't quite get the picture right in my head, and even less on paper. Which brings me to a comment or a quote I read somewhere about drawing, and that was think in 3D. And it's always stuck with me. Have you looked at a 3D model before? Just turn it around. I've used like Blender. I'm not sure if you've heard of that, but Blender is pretty cool with like 3D models. And anyways, when you turn them around, you can see the perspective and how it changes the way the figure looks based on the angle you set it to. And same thing applies when drawing. We have to think in 3D so we can form the character, creature, building, actually everything. And thinking in 3D is actually something that I kind of struggle with, but all it takes is just continuing to practice and just trying to recognize those shapes, the forms, the anatomy, and really that's all there is to it. So press that exploding thumb icon if you don't like what you see. Or do. It's up to you. I don't know. Give me some positive vibes, people. Or you could just tell me what you think I did wrong in designing the pose, face, or any other helpful feature design tips. Also, I just want to hear about your success stories or challenges, so just feel free to share. The face. The face. I don't know what it is with me and faces. I love drawing them, but my expectations get so high that I feel like no matter what I do, I'm not really happy with it. Does that happen to you sometimes? Is it just me? Anywho, I tried making this creature almost alien, but wanted it to stay as a beast. Basically, I just want to draw a bear creature of some sort. Something hairy because I want to get better at drawing hairy creatures during this week. But it's hard. I mean, all art is hard, I guess. Why am I complaining? So first of all, art is hard. Do I need to reiterate? Well, if there's one thing positive I can take out of this experience is that I noticed that I'm able to develop creatures a smidge faster, and I'm able to create a background a tad bit quicker too. I know my first draft looks like a hot mess, or like a 5-year-old drew this, but this is how it starts, right? You make a draft first, then you build on it. Alright, here's a quick rough sketch after all that crayon on the wall style drawing. Happy now? Anyways, that's all I got today, noobs, and keep on drawing. Don't give up, because I know I'm not.